Welcome to Gosia's Kitchen, where I share a recipe that is easy to prepare, yummy, and most of all, healthy. Today, I am sharing a stir-fry recipe with you. It's a chicken stir-fry with veggies based on brown rice noodles. All right, let's get cooking. We're gonna start with marinating the chicken. So we're gonna cut the chicken. Whenever possible, try to buy organic chicken. For the marinade, we're gonna use 2 cloves of garlic. Crush the garlic. And a piece of ginger, which is already chopped up. Put it in. And soy sauce. Cover it up. And just use your hands and mix it. While the chicken is marinating, we will prepare the veggies because that's where the most work lies. Okay, you can use any veggies you like. So today I used chopped carrots, broccoli, cauliflower, bok choy, mushrooms, and for sweetness, some pineapple. Step number 3, we're gonna prepare the noodles. We're using brown rice vermicelli noodles. Put them in a bowl and add hot water. And in 6 minutes, the noodles will be ready. So you'll just drain the water by then. Okay, so the chicken has been marinating for about half an hour. And now we will fry it with sesame oil. Just put a little bit of sesame oil on the bottom of your pan. You can also use any vegetable oil, even coconut oil. Coconut oil is very good for frying. So is sesame oil because it has a high smoke point. So the chicken takes about 10 to 15 minutes to cook. You want both sides to cook really well. Now onto the veggies. Same thing, we're gonna use sesame oil. So while the oil is nice and hot, we're gonna throw all the veggies in there, starting with the hardest veggies first, which will be our carrots. While the veggies are cooking, we're gonna make the sauce. 3/4 cups of water, cornstarch, 2 teaspoons, 1 teaspoon of sugar to balance it out, 1 spoon of sesame oil, brown rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon, and more soy sauce. Let's add 2 tablespoons because we have a lot of veggies. Sometimes you just have to kind of play around with it, how much to put in, because if you have a lot of more veggies, then you want more flavor, you want to add a little bit more liquid. So now you mix it. Looks like our veggies are almost cooked, so now we're gonna turn the heat down and add the sauce in here. Cover it for 2 minutes and simmer it on very low heat. And while this is finishing up, we're gonna drain our noodles. Let's check if our chicken's ready. It's been about 15 minutes cooking. You cut it in half, like a big piece. If it's nice and white, that means it's ready. I have my taste tester, come here. He's already eating the chicken. Okay, so noodles, veggies, and your chicken. And you can put a little bit of coriander on top to make it look pretty, and some slivered almonds. All right, are you ready, tester? Okay, let's taste it. Yeah, taste the veggies. Hot? How is it? Good? I guess the stir fry is approved by the children also, so it's all good. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to see any type of recipes, please comment down below, let me know. And just to let you know, best fitness results come from right amount of exercise and clean eating, which we're doing right now. So click down below and get your free 3-day guide for clean eating for busy people just like you. Thanks again. I will talk to you soon. Adios.